When it comes to video editing, AI tools have dramatically simplified the process, offering both professionals and beginners the ability to create high-quality videos with minimal effort. Two popular video editing platforms, Runway and V.io, stand out for their ease of use, AI-driven features, and flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, knowing how these tools compare can help you make the best choice for your project. Advanced AI-powered editing. Runway is a powerful, professional-grade video editing tool that uses AI to streamline the editing process. It offers a wide range of advanced features like background removal, object tracking, and automatic video editing. Runway's standout feature is its generative AI tools, which can generate images, video effects, and even complete video sequences from simple text prompts. The platform is designed to help creators quickly produce visually appealing videos without needing a deep technical background. Pros of Runway. Generative AI features. It allows you to create new content or modify existing content with simple text commands. High customization. You can integrate various AI effects like motion tracking and background replacement. Real-time collaboration. It's easy to collaborate with other creators, even in real time, making it perfect for team projects. Cloud-based. Runway doesn't require powerful hardware. Everything is handled in the cloud. Cons of Runway. Premium pricing. While it offers some free features, many of Runway's best tools are behind a paywall. This might not be ideal for beginners or casual users. Learning curve. Because of its range of features, Runway can take some time to master, especially if you're new to AI-powered editing. V.io, simplicity and accessibility. On the other hand, V.io focuses on simplicity and accessibility. It's a browser-based video editor that's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. V.io's AI capabilities include automatic subtitle generation, text-to-video creation, and speech-to-text features. It's designed for quick, efficient video production, which is great for content creators on a time crunch. Whether you're creating videos for social media, marketing, or educational purposes, V.io's streamlined interface allows you to get your projects done faster. Pros of V.io. Easy to use. Its drag-and-drop interface makes video editing accessible to anyone, regardless of skill level. Affordable. There is a generous free tier, and the premium plans are reasonably priced. Automatic subtitles and transcriptions. A great feature for content creators who want to make their videos more accessible or who need subtitles quickly. Collaboration. Like Runway, V.io allows for collaboration on video projects, but it's even more intuitive and user-friendly. Cons of V.io. Limited advanced features. While it's perfect for basic editing, it lacks the depth and customization options of more professional tools like Runway. Less creative flexibility. V.io focuses more on functional editing rather than generating creative AI-powered effects. The bottom line. Which one is right for you? Choose Runway if you're a professional or experienced video editor looking for advanced AI-driven tools to enhance your creative projects. It's ideal for high-end productions where you need more than just basic edits and are ready to invest in more powerful features. Choose V.io if you're a beginner, a social media content creator, or someone who needs a quick, simple video editor. Its accessibility and ease of use make it a great choice for those who want to get started right away without the need for specialized knowledge. Both tools are excellent in their own right. If you need professional-grade editing with advanced AI features, Runway is your best bet. But if you prefer a more user-friendly and affordable option for basic tasks, V.io will serve you well. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, understanding the strengths of these tools will help you create high-quality, engaging videos. Explore both to find the one that best suits your needs.